तुझ पर रूप सिर्फ मरते वक्त चढ़ेगा, लिख ले मेरी बात, लिख ले.
देख लीजिए कि मैं अपनी जुल्फी संवार रही थी.
There she is, the unforgettable Bطور from PTV's cult classic عینک والا. But things have changed over the years. Nusrat Ara, the woman behind this flamboyant character, has long been forgotten. Here she is, perched on the staircase of Gangaram Hospital, where she was rushed after suffering from a paralysis attack. The ever-radiant Bطور now lives in a tiny room in Lahore, and she complains of being quite unhappy with her living conditions.
देखो मेरे पाँव जख्मी हो गए, ठोकरें लगती हैं, उधर से भी निकलती हूँ, ऊपर छत नहीं है, बस ऐसे मुझे मकान का कर दे.
Seeing a dejected Bطور is sad without a doubt. But what does it say about our television fraternity that hangs its superstars out to dry when they've run their course?